Matthew Ladd with Groupe Kenworth Montreal TNT, trucks and tips. Good morning. On this bright and sunny day, I just want to take you around a nice T880 10-wheeler that we put together with the team at Équipement Twin. Let's go take a look at the dump body. So here we have this 15-foot dump body that we put together with the team at Équipement Twin. What I love about this truck, it's got a great feature of this extended ladder to make it much easier for the driver to get in and out of the dump body. And this just pops and folds up like that. Instead of the driver having to go up the truck steps and reach across the exhaust, makes it much easier for the driver to get in and out to inspect inside the dump body. You'll see here at the back, we have a pinto hook installed for a little pup trailer down the road. And this classic black and white design with replaceable plywood madriers on the side. So that's a quick look at this T880 with the 15-foot dump body from Équipement Twin. Something to consider when you're looking at dump trucks down the road is call the guys at Équipement Twin and call me for your Kenworth T880. That's Groupe Kenworth Montreal TNT, trucks and tips, and I'm Matthew Ladd. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you.